Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS Organizations SCP for restricting server permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Organizations console. Select the Policies tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Policy button to start forming a new service control policy. Input a name for your SCP in the designated field. Provide an optional description that outlines the purpose of the policy. Next, choose whether to allow or deny specific actions. For restricting server permissions, select Deny as the effect. In the JSON editor, construct your policy document. Include the services and actions you want to restrict. Use the syntax for AWS JSON policy language. Ensure to test your policy formulation to avoid syntax errors. After constructing the policy, click on Review Policy. Here, double-check all details to confirm accuracy. Click on Create Policy to finalize the SCP. Return to the Policies tab to find your new SCP listed. Next, navigate to the Organizational Units or Accounts sections. Select the organizational unit or account you want to apply the SCP to. Click on the Policies tab for the selected unit or account. Choose Attach to link your newly created SCP. In the policy list, locate and select the SCP you just created. Then, click Attach Policy to apply it effectively. To verify, navigate to the Service Control Policies section. Confirm if the SCP appears as attached to the correct organizational unit or account. Testing the policy is crucial for ensuring it functions as expected. Attempt to perform restricted actions in an account under the policies you've set. If denied, your SCP is working correctly to restrict server permissions. Keep your documentation updated for future reference. Review and modify the SCP as necessary to align with organizational needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.